San Francisco, California, world's largest industrial real estate investment trust, known as REITs. We're talking about Prologis. Welcome to Spot the Stock. Our last episode, we'll be discussing the biggest stocks belonging to the biggest sector, the 11 equity sectors in the last 11 weeks. Today, we're talking about the biggest real estate stock called Prologis. As the name implies, we will see in a second, it was founded in San Francisco, California in 1983 as AMB Property Corporation, and following a 2011 merger, took the name Prologis. It is, as I said, the biggest industrial real estate investment trust. It specializes, as the name implies, in logistic facilities. They own 5,495 buildings spanning 1.2 billion square feet across 19 countries, almost 7,000 tenants, including Amazon, DHL, and FedEx. You've got an idea why they are called Prologis. They supported 2.7 trillion worth of goods annually, which is 2.8% of global GDP in 2022. As I said in our Spot the Sector a couple of days ago, the index composition is made of smaller companies compared to other sectors. Prologis is the biggest, 105 billion market cap. If we look at key market variables, trades at a PE of 35 times, price to book of 2.1, revenues 8.2 trillion, net income of 3.08 billion. If we look at the margins compared to the industry, we look at a 5-year gross margin, 75% versus the industry 67%. If we look 5-year pre-tax margin, 50% versus 30%. Return on equity on the last 5 years, 7% compared to almost 14% for the industry. Return on assets, 5-year 2.17 versus 3.99. We have discussed the real estate sector index characteristic. It is a higher yielding sector. It is a lower size sector. Dividend yield 3.06 versus 5.11 for the industry, and very high payout ratio. This concludes our last Spot the Stock episode. I hope you enjoyed. There will be more coming, but for the time being, we have concluded our series. Keep following Mercury Partners Academy on our social, also for internship opportunities. You can see our social. We have a product for you every day of the week. All the best. Bye-bye.